Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this session I will explain colligative properties. First we know what are the colligative properties. The properties which depends on number of solute particles but not nature of solute or solvent, such properties are called as colligative properties. What I am saying? The properties which depends upon number of solute particles but not nature of solute or solvent, such properties are called as colligative properties. Here the relative lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property. Elevation of boiling point is a colligative property. Depression of freezing point is a colligative property. And osmotic pressure is a colligative properties. Why these four properties are called as colligative properties? Why these four properties are called as colligative properties? Let us take pure water. To that water just you add the little amount of the sugar or salt. If you observe the vapor pressure of the solution, boiling point of that solution, freezing point of the solution, and osmotic pressure of that solution. So when we are adding the salt or sugar to the pure solvent or water, its vapor pressure is decreases. Vapor pressure is decreases. Why it is decreases? In a solution, the number of vapor molecules over the solution is less than the number of vapor molecules in the solvent. Therefore, the vapor pressure of the solution is less than the pure solvent. Here, the lowering of vapor pressure or relative lowering of vapor pressure is a colligative property. If you add the more amount of the solute, the lowering of vapor pressure is more. If you add the less amount of the solute, the lowering of vapor pressure is less. Here, the relative lowering of vapor pressure means the ratio of the lowering of vapor pressure of a solution to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent is called lowering of vapor pressure means the ratio of the lowering of vapor pressure of a solution to the vapor pressure of the pure solvent is called as relative lowering of vapor pressure. It is also depends upon number of solute particles. The number of solute particles is more, RLVP value is more. The number of solute particles is less, RLVP value is less. And similarly, if you observe the elevation of boiling point, you know very well about the boiling point of water. At 1 atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. If you add the little amount of the sugar or salt to that water, its boiling point is more than 100 degrees centigrade. If you add the more amount of the salt or sugar, what happens? It boils at more than the first solution value. It means the number of solid particles is more, the boiling point of that solution is more. Therefore, the boiling point of a solution depends upon number of solute particles. Therefore, the elevation of boiling point is a better example of a colligative property. Similarly, depression of freezing point. You know very well about the freezing point of the pure water. The freezing point of the pure water at 1 atmospheric pressure is 0 degrees centigrade. If you add the more amount of the salt to that pure water, what happens? Salt solution is formed. That salt solution is freeze at less than 0 degrees centigrade. What happens? The freezing point of the solution is decreases. This decreasing the freezing point is called a depression of freezing point. Here, the depression of freezing point depends upon the number of solute particles. The number of solute particles is more, depression of freezing point is more. Therefore, depression of freezing point is a colligative property. And osmotic pressure. Here, the osmotic pressure also better example of a colligative property. Pi equal to CRT. Here pi is the osmotic pressure, here C is the concentration, here C value is more, pi value is more, R is a gas constant or solution constant, and T is a temperature. At given temperature, the R and T values is constant. Therefore, pi proportional to C. If the C value is more, osmotic pressure value is more. Therefore, osmotic pressure also better example of a colligative property. Thank you.